Good morning, dear pupils. How are you? I hope you are okay. My name is Jandarbekova Kamshаттың, and I am a teacher of English. Welcome to my English lesson for the 6th grade. Our today's new theme is describing places. Today in my lesson, you will learn adjectives to describe the places. Read the text about Paris. Ask and answer the questions. Okay, children. Let's pay attention to today's new words. Noisy, шулы. Quiet, тыныш. Dirty, лас. Clean, таза. Dangerous, қауіпті. Safe, қауіпсіз. Modern, заманауи. Old, ескі. Ugly, ұсқынсыз. Pretty, әдемі. Friendly, досшыл. Unfriendly, доссыз. Pupils, let's pay attention to the new words and repeat after me. Noisy, quiet. Dirty, clean. Dangerous, safe. Modern, old. Ugly, pretty. Friendly, unfriendly. Okay, pupils, let's do the task. Look at the picture. Describe it using adjectives. What can you see in this picture? Okay. For example, this is my town. There are many modern buildings. The city is noisy. Can you see the picture? Have you understood? Okay, let's continue our lesson. Next task is for reading. Read the text. Paris is the capital city of France and is very popular. It's located on the Seine River, which divides the city. Many tourists visit it and have been fascinated towards its status of being one of the most appealing, glamorous, and romantic of all the cities. Paris is the prettiest city all over the world. There are many old buildings. It was originated by a Celtic people called Parisi. The city's great hidden treasure is its own people. Its people are very honest, friendly, warm, and welcoming. This is the theme that inspires the travelers most. There are many cafes and restaurants where you can eat your favorite food. The tastiest dessert, which you can find here, is crème brûlée. The streets are noisy, but it is clean. One of the most famous museums of the world is situated in Paris, which is named as Louvre. It provides you with the historical paintings and different monuments. Let's do the task according to the text. Task number 1. Find the words in blue, then write the opposites. Pupils, pay attention. Look through the text, then find the words in blue. Have you found? Okay, let's check your answers. 1. Pretty, ugly. 2. Old, modern. 3. Friendly, unfriendly. 4. Noisy, quiet. 5. Clean, dirty. Okay, You are very active. Well done. Next task. Task number 2. Answer the questions. Question number 1. Where is it located? Number 2. How did they call Celtic people? Number 3. What is the main treasure of Paris? Number 4. What is the name of tasty dessert? Number 5. How do people like to visit Paris? Children, the following sentence will help you. For example, it is located. They called Celtic people. The main treasure of Paris. The name of tasty dessert. People like to visit Paris because. Have you found the answers? Yes, you are right. Let's check your answers. Have you understood our lesson? If you understood, let's finish our lesson. Do the tasks, then send it to your teachers. Bye-bye.